Hi, hello. So in the last video we discussed about the mechanical drawings, how to draw. Okay, how to use that one. Okay, what type of commands we have to use. So these of all we discussed, right? Now I am explaining you some of the inquiry commands. So which are used to give some information about the object, otherwise about the diagram. Okay, if you want to know the coordinates. Okay, if you want to know the temporary distance in that time how can we proceed. Okay, otherwise if you want to know the area of the object in that time how can we proceed. Okay, so for that I have some inquiry commands. So first I'm going with area. This is the one of the inquiry command which is used to find out the area. So here I'm drawing a circle. I don't know what is the radius and diameter of the circle. For this, I am using the command of area to find out the area of the circle. I am giving AA enter, selecting the object in command bar. So now selecting the circle. See here we are seeing some of the area same as the circumference. So this is our area. Same way I am going with rectangle. Same, I want to find out the same area of this rectangle. So for that I am giving AA enter. So same object I am choosing here. See here I'm getting 4347. If I want to know the sum of these two areas, in that time what I am doing, I am selecting the add area. So object now. So this is my first object. So here I am getting 1844. Now I am selecting this one also. See 6192. This is my total area. Okay, if you have the more objects also you can select directly. Okay, same as well here we have the chance to deduct the area from one object to another object. In that time how can we proceed, just see. So I'm going with area again. Here I'm selecting the add area firstly. So this is my object. Okay, I want to deduct the circle from the rectangle part. So here I'm selecting the subtract area object. See here I get the 4347 is my total area. Now I am deducting the circle. See here I am getting 2502. So this is my uh yes. So this is my area which is left after deduction of circle. Okay. So like this we have a chance. Same as well here we have some more commands to identify the otherwise to give the information. Okay, so second one is distance. The I is a distance, so which is used to show the temporary distance like this. See, it shows the coordinate point also. Okay, so this is the length of part. This is the distance. If you want to know the total area, means if you want to know the total distance, in that time, I am selecting the first point. I am selecting here multiple points. By clicking here, the total length will be added. See, so 265. This is my total length. Okay. Next, the next one is identity, which shows the coordinate points. See, ID is a shortcut. So here I'm selecting any one of the point here. Have you seen the coordinate point from the origin? So from X, I have 188 point something. From Y, I'm getting 102 point some change. Okay, if you want to know any coordinate point means we just go with X and Y. Okay, so here if you want to know the coordinate point of any point, otherwise any edge, okay, for any object, in that time we can use the identity. So ID is a shortcut for the identity. See, once again I am repeating here ID, enter. So I am selecting the circle center. I want to know the coordinate point of circle center. See, so for my circle center 61.49 83 is the x-axis, same as well 70.4379 is the y-axis. So like this we have to find out the coordinate for any object. Clear? And the last one is the list. So this is the one which shows you the history. Okay, history of the object. See here I am giving Li and if I select this object, giving space bar, see, so this is the history of the object. Here area will be there, perimeter will be there, same as well the coordinate points. So what are the coordinate points is there? It should also, it will show. Okay, so these are the four main important rules which are used to give some information about the object. Okay, so we can call them as a enquiry commands. Okay, if you like the video, just do subscribe and like for more videos. Okay, bye bye.